This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click at the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed, and since it is a relatively lightweight app, this will not take a lot of time at all, so let's wait. Now you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, tap the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera or set it as your default browser perhaps. And in here you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start within the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.